Hey Doofus, what's going on, yo?
We hit another ship. And we got.
And we're sinking?
Well, that's what I thought before, but I hope we don't sink. What do you think?
I saved every Marine.
Hey Pena, what did you do?
I saved everybody's life in here.
Why?
Because I called the alarm and fucking told everybody to brace for shock.
Brace for shock. Hey Wojcik, what happened?
Like this.
What? When the thing
The
rang?
orange tastes better?
No, what's going on, man?
Oh, we just whacked into another ship. We got a...
Big ass hole.
Watch out, dude. Move your head.
Chiefs don't. You don't like to take them.
Move your arm.
Yeah, go.
No, the captain.
Okay.
We just smacked into our resupply ship. We got a fucking 15-inch hole getting bigger.
So now we're eating fucking
We're taking on water rich
fucking
GQ. We got Navy fucks running
does
back
the
and
fucking
forth,
orange
back and
taste
forth.
better?
Our ship's like a big whore right now. She's got a big old hole, and she's taking on as much as she possibly can.
I wish I was funny,
but we'll see what happens. I got my money. I got some cigarettes.
Everybody got
my
their
lighter,
visas. They got
I
their
my
wallets.
visa, everything.
And I saved this. I saved this.
Yay, Elion.
Yeah.
You're not so bad.
You seem like
Hey, Cufus.
Wait for water to come rushing.
Are you scared,
Did
Cufus?
everybody go running
I
off the
see
mess
you're
deck?
gone. I'm like,
Hey,
Hey, Brad, are you
who was on
scared?
the mess deck?
Nah, dude, that was cool. I fucking. We hit.
Everybody
I
go
was
running
like,
on the
come
mess
on.
deck? What happened?
Look at death in the
yeah.
face.
My mate's in the mess deck.
What happened? Are you scared?
He was on the mess deck. Look, he's reporting. He's reporting, dude. He's reporting. Listen.
Okay.
Alright, when we hit hard, alright? There was fucking
Hey, don't cry.
fire and fucking women crying.
All two of them that are on the ship?
All two of them were crying. We had chicken nuggets everywhere. All over the floor. The Navy was slipping on them, trying to get to places. And ugly, and the smell. It was bad.
That's coming live.
Oh my goodness.
Are you scared, Hindu?
He's a hell of my. He's like, my nuggets are burning, goddammit.
Hindu's like, I can't cook under this pressure.
He's worried about choppers.